Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to go from this table to this in a few minutes. And we're going to do that using geobase. So to get started, first thing we need to do is download the data. To download the data, I'm going to use this excellent website called Overpass Turbo, which allows me to download OpenStreetMap data. Now here I've got Gothenburg, and I'm going to download using this query. This query can be built using the wizard here. You can just type in building, and you can just say build query, and that will create this. And then you can run it. If you run it, you will see all the building footprints created here. And now I want to download it. So I'm going to export that and say download as GeoJSON. Now I want to rename this to Gothenburg buildings. Next thing I'm going to do is import that data into geobase. And geobase is basically PostGIS with the tile server on top and a lot of other cool stuff, which we'll get into later. First thing you need to do is have a geobase account and have a project up and running. I've got that in here. So if I go to my project and go to my settings and I look for connection pool, in the connection pool I'll see OGR and GDAL. And this, my friends, is a way we're going to connect using GDAL to the database. And GDAL is an awesome tool for importing and exporting geospatial data in vector format. So I'm going to click that, reveal it, and copy that, and go to my terminal, and to OGR installed, you can do that on your system using these instructions on the website. So I have that already installed. So I'm going to do OGR to OGR. Oops, OGR is listening to me. Okay, that's gone now. OGR to OGR. And here's my command. First thing I have is, let's just go through this one by one. Let's just go. And I'm going to say NLT polygon. I want to import polygons, and then I'm going to say minus F. I believe it's minus F. Let me just double check. Yeah, minus F. OGR to OGR minus N. Then I'm going to say minus progress. It's going to show me the progress as we import. And then I'm going to say minus F. And then I'm going to say my format for that I'm exporting to. So it's PostgreSQL. And then if it's PostgreSQL, I need to give it the connection, which for my case, I can grab it from here. Right, so I'm going to reveal that, copy that, and paste it. And then I just need my file. So the file that I downloaded is here. I'm going to copy that and paste it here. Takes a few seconds. There you go. Okay, here we go. So now we go back to our server and we should see a new table called Gothenburg buildings. Now we're going to just go back to on the left side here, and down here you'll see tile server. And this tile server means we can now see our new table here. And the new table can be clicked on. You can inspect the attributes here. You can see here how to do authentication if your table is got row level security and so on. But we won't get into that now. Right now we're going to look at how to get access to the vector tiles and visualize them. And I'm going to click on this, and up here it should appear in a second. Voila! My buildings. And the really cool thing is that everything has been done for us, including the creation of indices on this table. So if I look at this table and I look at definition, we'll see down here is gist geometry index, which makes this tile server work even faster and your queries much more efficient. All that is done for you, and it makes building geospatial apps really easy. We can also turn on real time. We can turn on row level security. That's a topic for another video. For now, I just wanted to show you how to get some data into geobase.